Today, we also learned about more than 24 UT students who tested positive for the coronavirus after returning from a spring break trip to Cabo San Lucas. Well, it turns out the company that organized that trip was still encouraging students to go and refusing to offer refunds even after the World Health Organization declared a global pandemic. Tonight, at least 28 UT Austin students tested positive for coronavirus after a spring break trip to Mexico. A group of at least 70 took a chartered flight from Austin to Cabo San Lucas on March 14th. Many of them returned on a chartered flight 5 days later, but others arrived on commercial flights. Nevada-based company Just College organized the trip, which cost students about $2,000.
It's the most expensive trip I've personally ever gone on.
Ross Fisher is a UT sophomore who worked 2 jobs and spent a year saving for the trip.
It would have been made easier had they just simply offered to refund us and done the right thing.
But the company emailed student travelers 11 days before the trip, claiming, "We believe that our travel destinations remain among the safest." Then 2 days before departure and 1 day after the World Health Organization declared a global pandemic, the company told students, quote, "We hope that you choose to enjoy your spring break with us. We're currently in our 2nd week of Cabo and have had almost 5,000 travelers, all with no issues." The company reminded students the refund policy wasn't changing.
Every single email they sent out seemed very defensive, and it was kind of like it came across as like desperate, trying to get as many people to still go on the trip.
KVUE intern Bailey Abramowitz decided not to go 2 days before she was supposed to leave.
At the time, everything was still really up in the air. We had no idea how many cases there were or if travel was going to be cut off internationally. And I was really scared that if I went, I would get stuck in Mexico.
And still, she hasn't heard back from the company about getting a refund.
I know a lot of other people have emailed. None of us have gotten a response.
Now, I've tried reaching out to Just College by phone, email, and social media all afternoon, but so far tonight have not heard back. Austin Public Health is working to trace back all the contact those students had with other people, as many of those students recover at home. Reporting live tonight on the UT campus, I'm Bryce Newberry, KVUE News.